you know, it's the way this game is nowadays. You know, I feel very fortunate to have been able to play my entire career thus far in Detroit. That doesn't happen nowadays too often. So, you know, I'm the only one left. Even though it seems like just yesterday to me, I'm the only one left from the 2006 World Series team. It's crazy for me to think that, and especially this year we're doing the 10-year anniversary of it, and having all the older guys come back and throw out first pitches and whatnot. So, being able to be a part of that's pretty special as well. But you see those guys come and go, and you make friends, and it's tough to see them leave, but you kind of expect it.
You mean Kenny Rogers isn't starting for you tomorrow?
He might be able to, man. He might be able to just come out here and throw some sinkers and change it up a little bit, man. He was fun to watch pitch.
164 wins in your great career, a 3.5 ERA. That sensational season in 2011 where you won baseball's pitching Triple Crown. What was it like to absolutely dominate that year?
You know, it was easy.
Well, the Royals beginning to put it on, suggesting we apologize for that because you tried to do an interview with us.
Yeah, it wasn't a great interview, guys. Usually we do it when we're hitting so that I can score some runs. I don't know why. We switched it up, man.
And I'm just glad you didn't cuss. I was waiting for some sort of F-bomb coming right now.
No, man. Yeah, you know, every day's a new day. You can't get too upset when things aren't going great. You never know. This game's not over. We got a lot of games to play.
You bet. Well, Justin, thank you very much for joining us. We have a pitching change here, and best of luck to your future and your health.
Thank you, guys.
Appreciate it, Justin. Thank you.
We'll be right back.
Lieutenant Colonel Ghost, and burning by the book. No roots and spices, nooks and spices, highway is the way. Open very meal, prepared for you, delicious fresh whole chicken. No mistakes, no mistakes. That's right, the Colonel's back to get his course on track. Their chicken is flying free, Colonel quality guaranteed.
Troy. So, thanks for testing our new car service today.
This is the nicest ride-sharing service I've ever been in.
I'm so comfortable. I could take a nap right now.
So, our rates are a little bit different.
Okay.
We charge by the amount of gas consumed. Since we travel 4.43 miles, the Chevy Malibu offers an EP estimated 47 miles per gallon saved. Your total is 20 cents.
No way. I could afford that.
23 cents.
Do you have a quarter?
The all-new 2016 Chevy Malibu Hybrid.
This is so smart.
This copyrighted telecast is presented by the authority of the Office of the Commissioner of Baseball and may not be reproduced or retransmitted in any form, and the accounts and descriptions of this game may not be disseminated without express written consent.
That boy might be thinking, what do I have to do to pitch well at Kauffman Stadium? 3 starts now. He's allowed 15 runs in 10 innings and 6 tonight. The guy at first base still belongs to him. With Merrifield, drove in 3.
It didn't have great location. Gave up some jam shot hits as well. And as you mentioned, there's just not a lot of success on the road.
Now Anibal Sanchez, who just a few years ago was a 14-game winner as a starter in 2013, but he's had some injury problems. Facing Alcides Escobar. Six-foot right-hander out of Venezuela. Merrifield is a threat to go. He's stolen 3 bases this year and been caught just 1 time, and that was on a challenge. Ruled safe at first and then challenged, and he goes. Pitch is swung on a miss. Throw to second base. Not in time. Steal number 4 for Merrifield.
As we talked about, this club very athletic. Force the issue out on defense. With a 4-run lead, they're going to move on the base paths.
This bar 0 for 2.
Like I say, it's a great situation to run as well. You got 2 outs in the very worst. Escobar leads off the next inning. Then you got a runner in scoring position. You got to really go after Escobar. You want to put him on first and then face Dangerous Hosmer.
There's a base hit to right field. Merrifield coming around. Moya brings it to the plate. It's cut off, and Escobar in between second and first. Iglesias tags him out, but the run does score, and the Royals go up by 5 over Detroit.